Here is an application question of sandwich theorem. Okay, if sin x is less than x less than tan x. Okay, x is sandwiched between sin x and tan x when x approaches 0. Okay, so then prove that limit x approaches 0, sin x by x is equal to 1, but using what theorem? Sandwich theorem. We can also prove it using L'Hospital's method, but let us see how to prove it using sandwich theorem. So dear students, it is given that sin x is less than x less than tan x. Okay, now so now you can divide with sin x. So 1 less than x by sin x less than tan x by sin x. But one important thing is I didn't change the inequality assuming that x is approaching 0 plus. You'll get the same explanation. If you change the inequality also, the final answer will be same only. When we will change the inequality, if x approaches 0 minus. Okay, now so you can try that case. I am taking x approaches 0 plus. You can prove the same thing using x approaches 0 minus. But remember, when x approaches 0 minus, do change the inequality. Okay, now so next 1 less than x by sin x less than, we know that tan x is sin x by cos x, and when you substitute sin x by cos x, and in denominator we also have sin x and sin x cancels, we can say that 1 less than x by sin x less than 1 by cos x. Now what I am going to do is I'll apply limit x approaches 0 here, then limit x approaches 0 1 less than limit x approaches 0 x by sin x less than limit x approaches 0 1 by cos x. So here and here it's easy to find the limits, correct? So when x approaches 0, the value of 1 is 1 only, less than limit x approaches 0 x by sin x less than, and you can directly substitute x as 0 and cos 0 is 1, so 1 divided by 1 is 1. Okay, now and when I take reciprocals, then what happens, dear students? 1 greater than limit x approaches 0 sin x by x greater than 1. So when I take reciprocals here, this reciprocal will come here and this reciprocal will come here since both are positive. So remember this, observe that the limiting value of sin x by x is sandwiched between 1 and 1, which means that limit x approaches 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. So this is one of the basic applications of sandwich theorem. So for detailed explanation about the concept of sandwich theorem, do check the description below. I'll give the link of that complete video of sandwich theorem. See you all there. This is M. Sandeep Kumar.